So let's try this together. I told you some methods in modular arithmetic, right? Last session. Now one of them useful here. In that problem, many of them were useful. Here, one of them. That's the reason it is hard. Let me tell you. Here I told you three solutions, right?
Yeah.
First solution was calculating the most basic one, 2 to the 8 this. We wanted to calculate 2 to the 97 and 2 to the 100 was good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so solution 2 was this one. I told you, okay, you can say 2 to the 100 is 1, so 2 to the, you can say 8 is, if it is x, 8x is 1. Solution 3. Solution 3, we solved it by binomial theorem, right?
Yeah.
This solution in this problem is useful, okay?
Oh.
Now, let's start first together. It says find the smallest positive integer whose cube ends in this. What have you done for this problem?
I found out the units digit was 3.
Units digit was 3. With that way you tried, right?
Then 10b plus 3 cubed is congruent to 27 mod, and then like that.
Okay. So you said a cube mod 10 should be 7, right?
Yeah.
And if we check 0 cubed, it is 0. 1 cubed, 1, 2 cubed, 8, 3 cubed, 27. Only this word. 4 cubed, 5 cubed, and 6 is negative 4 cubed, right? So it's negative 4.
Yeah.
So this one is 0, this one is 1, so negative 1 cube or 9 cube is negative 1. 7, it is 7 or negative 3. It is 8, this one 7, this one is what? 4, right? 5, and
Yeah.
this one negative 4, negative 7. So because 7 is negative 3, and we have only one option, so A mod 7 should be what? A mod 10.
3 mod 10.
Exactly. You did only this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you
And then
what?
I did a equal to 10b plus 3 cube. A cubed equal to 10b plus 3.
A cube is 10b plus 3. Okay. But from only this, we cannot solve the problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it was good. You could use a small example instead of when it says ends in this, it means mod what?
Mod 10,000.
Yes. Instead of mod 10,000, we can say mod what and what?
Mod 625 and mod 16.
Exactly. So a cubed mod 16 should be what? Mod 625 should be what?
For mod 16 is 1 mod 16.
Okay, because you say 141, 232, 97. Yes, 196. What about 625?
142 mod 625.
142?
Yeah.
Yes. I can say 3 times 625 plus 140, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do you agree if we find, then after this we should do what?
We should express it as 10b plus 3.
No, we should focus on these two things. From here, it is equivalent that A mod what should be what, okay? We can calculate A mod
Oh.
what? from this one?
A is congruent to 1 mod 16.
You should find all options. Maybe one is okay, but try to see do we have any other options or not, okay?
Okay.
Try this one first on your own.
Is it 1 and 7?
One and seven.
Yeah.
You've checked all of them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and mod 16 because 16 is a small number is easy. A mod 16 can be 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 plus minus 4 plus minus 5 plus minus. At first it should be odd, right? So let's ignore even numbers, right?
Yeah.
So we should check only plus minus 1 plus minus what? Next one.
Plus minus 3.
Yes, plus minus
5.
and plus minus.
7.
Yes. So a cubed for first one is plus minus 1, right?
Yeah.
For next one, 3 cubed, 27. 27 mod 16 is what?
27 mod is
What?
plus minus 9. Plus minus
No,
9.
not 9.
Oh, sorry. 9 or 7?
Not minus 7. Calculate again, please.
Is it 11 and 5?
Yes, 11 and negative 11, or negative 11 is 5, right?
Yes.
5 cubed is what?
Plus minus 1.
112, 85, 14. Plus 5 is plus 1 or minus 1? Plus by negative 1, negative plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Because 112, 96 is multiple of 16. 106, 112 is multiple of 16. 128. So you said plus minus 1. Let's check. 125. If you divide it by 16, it will be what?
Divide negative
8. 8 times 6 is what? 48. We have 4. 128, right?
Oh, okay, okay.
Negative
Sorry.
3. The remainder is not negative 3, it's 15, okay? But with this way, we want to find all these. So pay attention to not have careless mistake because 16 is so much easier than 625, okay?
Okay.
And plus minus 7. 7 cubed is what?
343.
And let me tell you something. When you want to calculate 5 cubed, you don't need to calculate it completely like we say 5 times 5 times 5, okay? 5 times 5, 25. 25 is what? Is 9, right? Mod 16. 9 times 5
Yeah.
is 45. 45 mod 16 is negative 3 because 48 is multiple of that, right?
Ah, okay.
Exactly like this. 7 cube is what?
7 cubed is 7.
Okay. So it's 7 times 7 times 7, right? 7 times 7, 49. 49 is what? Is 1. 1 times 7, so it will be 7, right? So it will be plus minus 7, right?
Yes, that's what I said.
Exactly. Good job. So why you said A can be 7? You said 1 and 7, right?
Yes.
But does 7 work?
Okay, no.
Okay. You had careless mistake, right? So if you calculate like this, do you agree it will be so much easier instead of multiplying completely and then divide?
Yeah, it will be so much.
Yeah, and it will be so much faster, right?
Yeah.
Okay, without careless mistake. So A can be only 1 mod 16, right?
Yeah.
Now we want to focus on this. Try this one first on your own, okay? We want to find A mod what?
Mod 625.
Exactly. Try this one first on your own, okay?
Okay. Teacher, I don't know how to do this.
Okay, for this one, instead of 6 to 5, we can calculate what first?
Oh, 5,
5, then what?
25.
Okay, calculate 5 and 25, then I should tell you hint. Okay?
Okay.
So, try.
Teacher, I don't know how to do from there.
Could you find A mod 5?
Yeah, I found it to be 2.
Okay, let's check. A cube mod 5 is 2,
Oh,
right?
no, no, no. Yeah, 8.
So A mod 5 can be 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2, right? So A cube will be what?
Yeah.
0 plus minus 1 plus minus 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so then, sorry. Because it is cube
Wait,
plus
square.
minus 8 or plus minus 3, right?
Yes.
Only minus 3 works. Means minus 8. So A is what?
A is plus minus 2.
Minus. You said first 2?
Yeah.
Okay, pay attention to not have these careless mistakes because in the exam then you will have problem, okay? Don't rush,
Okay.
try to check all cases because it's not hard, right?
Yeah.
For finding mod 25 you have problem?
Yeah, mod 25.
Okay, so let me tell you. A cube mod 25 is what?
Um, so mod 25. 17.
Exactly. For example, one case that works is you can say easily -8, so -2 works, right?
Yeah.
But we should prove that it is our only answer, right?
Yeah.
One case is that you check all numbers from 0 to 25. It takes time, right? You want easier solution, right?
Yeah.
Do you agree? We know A is -2 mod or A is 3 mod 25, right?
Yeah.
Have you used this for solving this or not?
I haven't used that.
Okay, if you use this, you can easily find A is what mod 25. One more hint or that's enough?
Okay, that's enough. But
Okay.
why is A is congruent to 3?
Because we said -2. Because of this word.
But so it should be mod 5, or can we just assume?
Sorry. Mod 5 I meant.
Okay.
Okay, it is -3. You can use this for solving this. Want to try first on your own?
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, sure.
Teacher, is A congruent to 23 mod 25?
23, okay. You've checked only the numbers at mod 5 or 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We can say A mod 25 is 3 or what? We should check what numbers.
3, 13, 23.
Next one is what?
13.
No, after 3 we should check what number?
5.
Yeah. 5 mod 5 is 0.
7, 7.
7 mod 5 is 2. It should be 3.
So is 3 the only number we can check?
No, A mod 5 is 3. We want to check mod 25 can be what numbers? A from here.
Oh, okay. Sorry. 8, 3, 8, 11.
No.
Okay, sorry. So 13.
Yes.
13. 18.
Yes. Today you have lots of careless mistakes. Previous session or I think past sessions you didn't have careless mistake, right?
Sorry. Just got back.
Sometimes it happens. Okay, so next one is what?
23.
23. Yes. And we can say it is 3, 8, -12, -7, and last one negative what?
-2.
Yeah, so you try to work with a smaller one, right?
Yeah.
So a cube for 3 will be what?
2.
Yes, because 27 is 2. For 8, for 8 you can calculate it, or a8 cube is 512. It's 12, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, because I know this, but for next numbers it's good to, for -12 it will be what?
-12 of
Don't rush, try to find correct answer.
12.
12, okay, let me check. -12 times -12 is what?
144.
Yes, 144 times -12. Instead of 144, it's good to write what?
-1.
-1? Huh. Again, you have careless
Oh.
mistake. Exactly. Oh, so it will be what?
96, so -4.
6 times 12 is 96, 6 times 16 is 90.
Sorry. 22. 22.
Yes, it's 72, which is 22. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's check next one. For this one, don't rush, okay? Try to reach correct answer.
Teacher, is it 7? Because -7 times -7 is negative.
And so it is what? It is 7, you said?
Yeah.
Okay, we can say it's -7, -7, 49 times -7.
Which is -149.
Yeah, 7. Good job. What about -2? This one is easy.
-2, -8, 17.
Exactly. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, right?
Yeah.
And we know a cubed is 17, so a is what mod? 25,
So 23. 23. So that's
20.
my origin.
You said 23 in the beginning?
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
job, good job. Now,
Are you
what?
origin?
You did what?
I put A equals to 5 plus.
Okay, okay. That's good. Okay, let's check also that solution. Solution 1. Yes, because in next step we want to use exactly your solution. We have to use that. A is 5k, for example, plus 3, then a cube mod 25. You can say 5k plus 3 cube. So it will be 3 cube plus 3 times 3 squared times 5k, right?
Yeah.
Which is 17, right?
Yeah.
So 3 times 3 cube 27. 27 times 5k is congruent to 17 minus 27, which is -10, right?
Yeah.
So we can divide both sides by what?
Divide both sides by 5.
So 27k is congruent to -2 mod what?
-2 mod 20. 5, 5.
5, because you should divide by GCD of 25 and 5, right?
Yeah.
So it is 2k. We can divide both sides by what?
2. And then K is congruent to 4 mod 5.
Yes, -1 or 4 mod 5. So k is, we can say, k is 5q plus 4, right? Because we said a is 5k plus 3, so it will be 5 times 5q plus 4 plus 3, which is 25q plus 3. plus 23, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now exactly by using this method, calculate this part that a cubed we know is congruent to 142, okay? And we know a has this form. Calculate by these things. A is what mod 625, okay?
Okay.
Try.
Teacher, is the answer 298?
Can you say it again?
Teacher, is the answer 298?
298. Can you explain your answer?
So I did 25Q plus 23.
Let me tell you, because we've used Q and K, let's, for example, use another one. 25, for example, W plus 23, right? Sorry. Because we said A here, you can use. Because A is this. But if, for example, you want to use for B or some other things, you can, it's better not to use same variables, okay? So,
Okay.
then A cube is what? You raise to the power of 3, right?
Yeah.
Then what?
So A is congruent to 25 times 23 squared Q. Oh, I realized it.
You had tell us mistake?
No, but I forgot to times 3. That's wrong.
Okay, so calculate again, okay?
Okay. Sorry, it's 323.
It is 323.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. This one is correct. Okay, so let me correct it. So, can you say we should write what here?
Uh, 3 times 25 times 23 squared Q plus 23 Q.
3 times 25 cubed plus times 23 squared plus 23 cubed, right?
23 Q. Yeah.
Is congruent to 142 mod 625, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now for this one, you can multiply. You've calculated 23 cubed.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I did 5 minus 2.
Exactly. That in that way it will be easier, right?
Yeah.
So we can say 3 times 25 cubed times 25 minus 2 times 25 minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Is congruent to 142 minus 23 cubed, which is 25 minus 2, 25 minus 2, 25 minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it will be 142. If you use 225s, then it will be 0 mod 625, right?
Yeah.
So we can use from all of them, we can select -2, which is -8, or from two of them, we select -2, then next 122. So it will be plus 3 times -2 times -2. 3 is because of 3 choose more. 4 times 25, right?
Yeah.
Here again, if we use 25 twice, it will be 0. So again, we can say, because we have 125 here, we have to use this. So we should select -2, -2, right? It's 4,
Yeah.
4 times 3, 12, 12 times 25 cubed, right?
Yeah.
So 3 times 4 times 7, 142 plus 8 is what?
142 plus 150.
150. Minus 3 times 4, or 12 times 25, right?
Yeah.
And it will be 12 times 25 cube, right?
Yeah. 12 times 25 is 300.
Mod 625, right?
Yeah.
Yes, we can calculate this, or we can divide by 25, right? 12q is
Yeah.
what minus what?
6 minus 12.
Yes, mod what?
Mod 25.
Exactly. We can divide both sides by what?
6
So 2q is what?
congruent to congruent to sorry, wait, so 24.
Yes, -1 or 24. We write 24 to divide by 2, right?
Yeah, 24 divided.
So then you can say what from here?
We can say Q is congruent to 12.
Mod what?
Mod 25.
Yeah, so q, we can write q is equal to what?
Q equal to 25 plus 12.
Exactly. And then if we replace it, a was 25q plus 23, right?
Yeah. Which will give us 625D plus 300.
Okay, so let's check 25e plus 12 plus 23. So it will be 625, as you said, e plus 300 plus 23, 323, right? Good job, complete
Yeah.
query. And let me tell you, we should calculate mod 25 and then replace. If you want, at first we said it is 5q plus what in the beginning? A is 3 mod 5, right?
Yeah.
If you want to use 5 mod 3 here and solve mod 625, it is not good, because then we have q squared. Understood what I mean, or want me to explain more?
Yeah. I understand.
Okay, that
Then,
exactly. Then we have lots of terms and it's not easy to calculate because we have q squared. So it's good to calculate first mod 625, then 625. Okay. Then we okay. Yes. In that case, you will get stuck, right?
yeah.
Okay. So we found that a is 323 mod 625, right? Remember that a was what mod 16?
A was
Was 1, I think. Let
yeah
me
1 more system.
yes, here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we want to find a mod what?
10,000.
Yes, and then the problem says find the minimum positive number that satisfies it. So find the question mark here, okay?
Okay. Teacher is in 9073.
9073.
Yeah.
Okay, can you explain your solution?
625 plus 320 is congruent to 1 mod 60.
Yeah, 6, and good job, you use new variable. 625b plus 323 is 1 mod 16, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then you can take this on right hand side, 625q, 323 minus 1 negative 322, right?
Yeah. So BQ is congruent to
625 mod 16 is what?
1.
1. Because you can say 3 times is 48, 145, 144, exactly, q. What about 322?
322 is 2. Sorry. I need to check. 2. Yeah.
322 is 2, but it is negative 2, right?
Yeah. Okay. Without the.
Okay, you can say it's 14, right?
Yeah. 14. 14.
Oh, sorry. Here, why I said Q, B, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so B is 16C plus 14, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 625 times 16C plus 14 plus 323, right?
Yeah.
So it will be 10,000 C plus 2 times 625 is 1,300 times 7, right? So it is
Yeah.
900, 9100. So it will be 9423. Why your answer is different from this? I have careless mistake or you had careless mistake. Okay, check your solution.
Teacher, why is 625 times 14 13 1300? Huh? See, 625 times 14. It's
Oh, sorry. Why I said 1300? I had careless mistake here. 1 to 50, right?
yeah.
Oh, sorry. This one was my mistake. Okay. 7 times 0, 7 times 5, 35. We have 3. 7 times 2, 14 plus 3. 17. We have 1 and 8, right? So 3709, right? Completely correct.
Yeah.
Good job. And because it says what? The problem says find the smallest positive integer. So
Teacher, I can't see your screen.
you cannot see my screen? Let me.
Okay, now I can.
Oh, I stopped sharing. Let me share again. I don't know why it happens. Let me rejoin. Okay, can you hear me? If you are saying something, you are mute.
No, I'm not saying it.
Okay. So Yeah, I'm sharing the screen. Can you see?
Oh yeah, I can.
Okay, so it says find the smallest positive integer. So for the smallest positive integer, C should be what?
C should be 9073.
C should be 0. A is
Oh,
90.
C should be 0.
Yes,
A.
exactly. Good job. So it was a hard problem, I can say. And what about